Hi, this is Praveen from Sia Machine Tools. So this is imported lathe TV280. The make of this machine is from France, as you can see. The TV280. The machine is in excellent condition. As you can see, it's imported machine. See, as you can see, the speed up to 2500 RPM. So let me show you the working video of the machine. So now the 1000 RPM is here. So the leg brake is also there. So let me put it to 224 RPM. Look at the machine, how smooth it is. So let me put the cells. See, the self movement is going on. Machine is in very smooth condition. Very nice for the 2 zoom shots. So I make a neutral one. Let me change the speed. So this is inbuilt coolant tank with motor. So we have here, as you can see, this is very little tiny tool holder and tool post. So we have 6 tool holders including this. So let me switch off the coolant. So this is so off, you can do it with the see. So this is all about the TV280 all gear lathe from France. So after watching the video, please subscribe our channel. Do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.